up, Santos?
What's up, Reese?
So, like, you did good yesterday. You did really good.
Yeah, I was so surprised.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
You drove in a lot, though.
Everybody was on during the scrimmage.
They were watching you.
And Coach Peters likes me. It's like every time I was last, they're like, yeah, Coach started.
Yeah, Santo.
Yeah, Coach Santo.